Hi, thank you for joining Pioneer. My name is Aaron Pence. I'm from the Norman Central Library. I appreciate you spending a few minutes with me today. Okay, you've got a ball and a start to your controller. Let's build the rest of it. You should already have the ball moving to the right with the right arrow key. If you don't, go back and watch Lesson 2, the ball and the controller. First, we really just need to copy what we already did 3 more times. Once for left, once for up, and once for down. I'm going to show you a trick I love in Scratch. When you need a copy of something you've already made, you can just duplicate it and use it again. You just need to right-click on the block you want to duplicate and select Duplicate from the menu. Be careful. If you click on the wrong place, you will duplicate the wrong thing. In this case, I want to duplicate the if block and the parts inside it. So I'll right-click on the if block to get started. If I accidentally click on the key pressed sensing hexagon or the change X by motion block, I'll get those instead. You'll get good at picking the right one with practice. I'm going to throw away these blocks I didn't want. Again, in this case, you just need to right-click somewhere on the if block. Select Duplicate. You now have a new if block stuck to your mouse. We need to stick that if block inside the forever loop. Move the stuck if block under the first if block. See my shadow popping up here? And click to put it down. Be careful here too. Make sure that the if block is going right under the first if block and not inside of it. We'll talk more about this in a minute. Take a look at my screen here. Inside the first if block, like this, is wrong. Under the first if block is right. Now, we just need to take these other if blocks and move them under the other if blocks. Inside the forever loop, but under the other if blocks. Great. Now we need to fix all those. Take a look at this second if block here. We need to make 2 changes, and you might already know what they are. If we press the right arrow key, our ball goes to the right. It makes X a little bit larger. We need it to move to the left too. So first, let's change the key that it's checking for to the left arrow. You can test it now, but look, it's moving to the right when you press the left arrow. Well, it makes sense that it is. The ball is increasing X by 2 when you press the left arrow. There's nothing magic about the left arrow. It's just a key on the computer, and it's following the next command when you press it. So let's fix it. Instead of X getting larger when we press the left arrow, let's make it get smaller. Let's change the X by -2 instead of +2. Click in the Change X by bubble under the if key left arrow pressed conditional and change the number to -2. Now try it. Cool. Now we need to make it move up. Change your attention to the third if block. First, we just changed this key pressed hexagon to read key up arrow pressed. Next, we don't want it to change X at all. Remember that X is for left to right positions. We need a Y because Y is for up and down positions. Click and drag on the Change X by 2 block and put it back in the blocks library. Then go to the motion blocks and find the Change Y by 10 block. Snap that inside the third if block, the one with the key up arrow pressed block at the start. Don't forget to change the number to 2. Up is the positive direction for the Y coordinates, so we want the Y number to get a little bigger each time. Try it out. Okay, we're close. We only have this last one to edit. First, change the key pressed to down arrow. Next, we need to change the motion block. Put this change x by 2 block back in the library. Then grab a change y by 10 block from motion. Snap it inside the if statement. Next, change the number. We don't want 10, we want -2. We want y to get a little smaller each time we press down because y coordinates getting smaller is the same thing as moving downwards. Now try it. Perfect. Now is a good time to do a little troubleshooting. Troubleshooting is where you fix problems, where you see what's going wrong and how to fix it. There is a really common problem I see programmers have when they build this script. They accidentally put their if statements inside one another. This happens a lot. If your if statements look like this, where the one if is actually inside the other if instead of just below it, your code won't work. I like to trace the line of the if block with my mouse in case I get confused. It really helps to see exactly what's inside and what's not. Make sure none of your ifs are stuck inside one another. Okay, so right here is the final script for your basic controller in one view. Take a look. Pause the video here if you need to check it with your script. You should be able to match them exactly for it to work. I hope you got it. That's a hard script. Did you ever think you'd be writing scripts this complicated? Great work. Our ball is totally ready to move. Next time, we'll figure out how to make the ball get stopped by the walls so we can't just skip them. Thanks a lot. See you soon.